It's a phone, and now it's a tablet. How cool is that?
Yeah.
The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G is coming to Verizon, and I cannot put this phone down. I've been using it as my daily driver for the past 2 weeks, and I keep finding cool new things to do with it. Here are just a few of my favorites. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 makes it easy to work no matter where my office is. Using the phone's front screen, I can check my email, send text messages to coworkers, and even attend video conferences without having to drag around my laptop. Just don't tell that to IT. And if my boss hits me up asking me to review a news release, all I have to do is open up the phone and use that huge main display to edit and write comments. If I need more real estate, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 even lets me wirelessly share my screen to a full-size monitor or a TV. When I'm done with work for the day, I can catch up on TV while making dinner using the front screen intent mode, or I can jump on the couch, unfold the phone, and watch my movies in full HD. Now let's talk about my favorite topic, cameras! The Galaxy Z Fold 2's hideaway hinge design makes it a dream to take pictures. I can easily place this phone on any flat surface, making it very, very convenient for taking selfies or group photos using one of the 5 pro-level cameras available on this phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is also the first foldable device on Verizon that lets me tap into our 5G ultra-wideband network, giving me access to unheard of speeds so I can download games and movies in seconds. Speaking of games, I love how ultra-responsive the Galaxy Z Fold 2's display is thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. What's more, with 5G ultra-wideband, you get access to some amazing low latency capabilities, which translates to an amazing experience for massive multiplayer gamers. Trust me, it will be awesome. Did I mention that I can also play my favorite games on the front and the inside display? Go Mario, go! The Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G will be available for pre-orders starting September 2nd, and it's going to be available widely on September 18th, along with the brand new Galaxy Tab S7 5G series. Visit VerizonWireless.com for more information or to order yours. Until next time, you're up to speed.